Yeah, you're right, Pasney. Hi everyone. I'm having tea with Sammy and Pasney. Um, Sammy, why you wearing your sunglasses? You've been in Miss Paula's birthday. So you don't want nothing to eat? Just water? Okay. Pasney, you want some tea? So Pasney wants some cheese on toast with cucumber. So I tell you what, Pasney, at Montessori we do all by ourselves. So maybe I can show you how to do it. So Pasney, we can start with cucumber. So let's hold the cucumber very carefully. So as a roll. So with one hand we hold cucumber, with the other the knife, and we can cut slices. That's it, Pasney. Sammy, you want to do it? I know he's having a nap. So Pasney, now let's grate the cheese. So I'm gonna hold the grater like this, and let's wrap the cheese on the grater, and I can see the cheese coming down. You like it? So after wash my hands, we can make the snack. Oh, Sammy, you're awake. But you were not hungry, weren't you? Okay, let's start. Pasney, you want some butter in your bread? Okay. So let's spread the butter. Is that enough? More? Cucumber. No, maybe cheese first. And cucumber. Enjoy. Oh, Sammy, you're awake. I think you are coming too late. There is no snack left. But guys, now at home, you can do your own snack, so you can try. You can cut your own vegetables, you can grate your own cheese, and if you want, you can spread the butter. Bye!